Hi fashion lovers, welcome back to my channel. To all my wonderful subscribers, you all are welcomed. In today's video tutorial, I will be sharing with you the sewing process of this beautiful dress that I made. This is actually a requested video tutorial and I'm going to take you through step by step on how I achieved these beautiful results. This is me rocking my dress, so do well to watch till the end. Subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share with your friends. So guys, let's get started. So guys, I went ahead to arrange my pattern paper on my fabric. Okay, this is a requested video tutorial, so I'll first of all cut for the back pattern. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to trace out for my back pattern. Okay, from here I'm going to come in by 1.5 inch, which is here. Okay, then another thing to do here is to measure to my desired length. Okay, so my desired length is 45 inch, but I will be making it 47 inches. Okay, because I'm adding my hemming allowance of 2 inches, which is here. Okay, so I'm going to trace it down. Okay, after that I went ahead to cut out for my back pattern. So guys, this is all for my back pattern. You can see that. So I'll also go ahead to cut the interfacing for this back pattern. So guys, to cut for my interfacing, this is my piece of fabric, so I will be folding this now to cut for my back pattern interfacing. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to trace out for my back pattern. This is for my interfacing. Okay, I won't be fixing any lining to this. So guys, here I also went ahead to cut out for my back pattern interfacing, just the way you see me doing it here in this video. So guys, this is the right face of my back pattern. Okay, for my interfacing, I'm going to place it like this, then stitch along from my neckline down to my, just this way. You can see what I did. Okay, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and stitch from my neckline, okay, down to my back pattern. For my front bust here, I went ahead to arrange my patterns on my fabric just the way you see me doing it here, then trace it out as to cut it out. Okay, so guys, after cutting, go ahead and notch where your pleat will stop. Okay, so this is for my front pleat, and I've gone ahead to notch the up and the down part where my pleat will stop. Okay, so I'm going to make my pleats. So guys, this is it. Take it over to your pressing iron and iron it, then also go ahead and make your gathers. Okay, you can see how it is. So guys, I've gone ahead to iron it, and this is my result. You can see how beautiful and neat my upper bustier came out. Okay, for those asking me, this is it. This is the result I have. Also for my underbust gathers, you can see I use my pins to hold it. You can see it at my bustier here as well. Okay, also for the down part of my underbust bustier, okay, you can see I went ahead to take it to my desired length, just the same way I did for the back pattern. Okay, I also add 1 inch to the front of my dress, okay, because this dress is going to have a slit, just the way you see me doing it here in this video. Then I went ahead to cut it out. Okay, so guys, for the down part of my front bustier, you can see I've gone ahead to stitch up the 2 sides. Okay, and you can see my slit. Okay, then the next thing to do here is to fix our bustier. Okay, the upper bustier. And to do that, this is the both sides of my bustier. Can you see that? I'll go ahead now and use my pin to hold this like this. Okay, so after using my pin, you can see the outcome. Let me also fix the other side. So guys, this is it for my front bustier. Can you see what I have here? So guys, after stitching, this is what I have. Okay, this is my results for the front pattern, and here is where you'll be fixing your customized button. You can see how neat my dress came out, especially the bustier part. You can see the pleated neckline here. Also for my back pattern, this is what I have for my back pattern. Can you see that? For my back pattern, for those that requested for the video tutorial, sewing tutorial, this is for my back pattern. I've gone ahead to fix my zipper here. Okay, so this is it. Next thing to do here is to fix my both shoulder and also mark for my shaping. So I'm going to place the front pattern like this to mark for my shaping. Then go ahead and fix the both shoulder. So I'm going to take this to my sewing machine as to fix my shoulder. So I'm going to stitch up like this here and also here. Can you see that? Here. Okay, then after that I'll go ahead and mark for my shaping. Okay, I'll arrange it and shape along my armhole. Okay, and that will be all. You can as well go ahead and fix your sleeves. Finally guys, this is my end result after I'm done with my shaping. You can as well go ahead and fix your sleeves. Okay, so this is my end result. You can see how neat and beautiful my dress came out. Do well to hit on the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share with your friends. And if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. I'll be there to attend to you. Thank you guys for watching.